Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social and Political Life. Last before class, we have seen the story of the two person, Samir Ek and Samir Do. Today we are going to see about the what does the diversity add to our lives. This is the concept today we are going to see. Okay, I will say if we have a knowledge and excitement and understanding about our life, if you stay in a hometown or if you stay in a place, you won't do the anything new. Yes, you will do something again and again. Here in this in book I will explain about the religious of Samir Ek and Samir Do. Though they become a different religions, though they become a friends, they have been probably eaten different kinds of food in their homes and they have celebrated the different festival. Yes, because they one is Muslim and one is Hindu. The Muslim, what they will celebrate? They will celebrate the Ramzan, and the Hindu will celebrate the festival of Pongal and Diwali. These are the festival they will do. Okay, the what the about the food, always the Muslim will eat biryani. Here Hindus will eat all the dinners they will eat. They will eat meals also. Here also the Muslim also will eat, but I am telling just for example. Here also they have the different they will celebrate different festival. I told before itself. The clothes also will be vary. The language also will be vary from one person to another person. Of Samir Ek and Samir Do, the language also will be uh, will be differ. Okay, about that is only what does the diversity add to our lives. Next we are going to see the next topic is relating to the storybook. You are all be interesting to study the storybook. Yes, write the for example you will study about the animals, and you will read you will study about the jungle books, and you will study about the ghost, etc. The books were different, written by the different authors and different writers. Yes, however they have a different ideas. You can think that they can written the book relating to their experience. Yes, they will write based on their experience, what there has been ideas on what are the place they have been uh, has been they are living. Based on that situation they will write the storybooks. Okay, because they have a different cultures on their lives. Okay, till this you have understood what is the concept of this question, what does the diversity add to our lives. Okay, this is the pictures of the storybooks. Okay, imagine that they could be living in the same place, and they could not get any. If they are live in same place, they won't get the same idea, any different idea. They will write only the whatever happened in that place. They will again they will write it in the same topics. Okay, till this you have understood what a person can write. Means a childhood memories. They will write about the childhood memories and the accounts of the kings. What a person writes means a childhood memories, accounts of kings. the life of forest, the fights and the friendship, values and education. Okay, again I will say what a person will write means the childhood memories. Whatever they happens in the childhood, they will write as a book, and they will write next accounts of the kings. Whatever the kings has been accounts, they has been write this life of the forest. They, when they are living in the forest, they will write as a story in the book. What are the fight has been gone under the friendship, they will write as also a book, and values and the education. These are the person will write as a book. The assignment will be here is the first assignment is make a list of the food that you have eaten from different parts of India. Second, make a second assignment, make a list of the languages besides your mother tongue that you can speak. At least one or two words. The third assignment here is imagine that you are the writer or an artist who lives in the place described above. Either write a story and draw a picture of your life here. Children, do the assignment daily. I have given 3 assignments today. You please do it. Make a list of the food that you have been eaten in the different parts of India, and next the languages. List the languages and the mother tongue. This is a mother tongue. Mother tongue that you can speak at least 1 or 2 words it. Next, you should imagine that you are writer and artist, and you have whatever the place you are living, you describe it and write a story and draw a picture in the chart paper. Okay, thank you.